Hi, my name is Gil Klein, and this is Project 2 for CS50W, the e-commerce website. So, for this project, we were tasked with building an eBay-like website where users have the ability to look at listings for items that are up for auction and place bids on them in order to buy them. And the first specification states that your application should have at least 3 models in addition to the user. One for auction listings, one for bids on those auction listings, and one for comments on them. So over here in my models.py, I have, in addition to user, I have a class model for listing, one for wish list, one for comment, and one for bid. Next, a logged in user should be able to create a new listing. So, I'm going to go ahead and first show the logged out view, and when the user logs in, they're taken to a page with active listings, and here in the menu, new links appear, one of which is create new listing. So let's just go ahead and create a listing for the best chocolate chip cookies in LA. Starting bid 60, and let's just go ahead and enter in an image, URL, and we'll choose the right category. I went for food. So now that I've created that listing, it will appear here under active listings. Active listings page we also just went over. The logged in user should see all of the active listings by their title, description, current price, and photo. The listing page is about the individual listings. So, if you click on any one of these individual ones, you will see all the information about it, and you'll be able to place a bid. You can also, this is an item, for example, that I have added to my wish list, and I can remove it from my wish list. I can add it again, and you'll see that it appears here under my wish list with a few other items. As for listings that the user creates, they should be able to close those auctions. So I just created cookies, and for that reason I am able to close the auction right here. Item unsold, no one won. So, next we have the watch list, which I called the wish list, which is a little more eBay-like, I feel. Categories. All the items fall under certain categories, as you saw when we created a listing right now. So let's look at all the other food category items. And here we have banana bread, tofu, and cookies. And we can click any one of these to go to the individual listing. Lastly, we have the Django admin interface, which I have pulled up right here, and you can quickly and easily jump in to see all the current bids, as well as add a new bid on an item, or create a new listing altogether, or a user. All that can be done here from the Django admin. That concludes the project. Thank you for looking into my project.